Welcome! If you're tired of getting those constant account suggestion notifications from Instagram and want a little more peace while browsing on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable notifications for account suggestions on Instagram using the latest web update. Let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will open up a new page where you can manage all your Instagram preferences. On the Settings page, look for the Notifications option. Click on it to enter the Notifications Management section. Inside Notifications, you'll see a few different options. What we're looking for is Push Notifications. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can customize what kind of push notifications you receive from Instagram. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Account Suggestions. This is where Instagram sends you notifications recommending new accounts to follow, which can get pretty annoying if you're not interested. To turn these off, simply choose the Off option next to Account Suggestions. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for account suggestions on Instagram from your PC. No more unnecessary interruptions or suggestions cluttering your notifications. Remember, you can always come back and turn them back on if you change your mind. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter Instagram experience.